fireworks. Let's watch. Ayan. Nakikita na natin ang build up ng tao ngayon. Nakikita tayo. Manood na fireworks.
Cracking tonight, Bandy even. This is called Alright Cheryl. Come on, she got something to say to ya. Eyes are wide and her lips ain't quivering. Get on, there's the old voice so familiar. Say no, you can't make it alone. But too long, the old folk control is over. She been tied up down their old town. Get on to hell with the beast and his roots apart. 'Cause now's the week, the day, the hour. And oh yeah, 10,000 things are gonna change today. Oh yeah, you give a game to the people and the people of the day. And oh yeah, first time than you used to take today. First time. Come on, there's a new player on the stage. Her eyes are wide and the fear is fading. First, the color returned to her face and she writes a new page. In love, and lots of control, and lots of control. Yeah, 10,000 things are gonna change today. Oh yeah, Austin on lead guitar. It's his last gig in Plymouth tonight. He's got one more after this. Please make some proper noise. That legend, Mr. Rob Austin. Thank you. But tell me all about the high hopes, the tight ropes in your circus mind. About the sex scenes, the daydreams that you long to find. Don't worry about the fallen woman that you leave behind you, girl. It's all I share tonight. Oh yeah. Change the day. Oh yeah. We give a gaze to the people and the people who pay. The first time in a new city today. First time.
Of the best fireworks in Britain yesterday from our three teams. Andy, you've gone through and picked out some of the highlights. Let's have a look at some of the highlights from last night's. This is the UK Firework Company, first of all. Take us through their display, Andy.
Look at this lovely single shot. It's a red, white and blue sequence and shapes, and the smiley face shells there, which the crowd absolutely love. And look at those colours down below, really strong and bright. But the smiley face shell's very popular. I think we'll see some more tonight. And here's the UK Firework Company's finale. What a huge brocade crown finale. This one we saw at the end of the show. We'll talk more about that later. But look at that, filling the sky. Absolutely filling the sky, reflecting on the water. And very interesting, going straight up there. And the aim here is to create as much width as you can with the fireworks.
So this was then Distant Thunder, our second display last night. Beautiful displays.
Look at those shells going off in the middle. So that's a crackling one, but these next ones that come up that you see, beautiful effects. Wow, look at that. the beautiful strobe in the centre. We really enjoyed Distant Thunder. They gave us lots of different things, some more of those shells there. I did really enjoy those. And here now is a strobe sequence, absolutely filling the sky. Look at it, silver strobe, and then shells with what we call a pistol in them. Red in the centre is the pistol, and then the silver strobe on the outside. There's some red strobe shells as well. Lovely sequence, and they're doing it down below as well with those red strobe barrages that we can see firing off. Really very special.
And Distant Thunder will have been very pleased with this display, I'd imagine. How are they? Oh, these were the falling leaves, actually. These were really impressive, weren't they?
Yeah, they did a great job with their falling leaves. You can get them in so many different colours. Here we can see red, green, and a bit of blue. But look at the top. They've just changed colour. There's silver falling leaves there. Really, really nice effect. There's some green ones as well. So they're firing barrages, but they're also firing shells as well.
Hanging in the sky for several seconds after the initial explosion. Really impressive display, this from Distant Thunder. How would they have felt from this display last night? They must have been really pleased.
I think they're very happy, but I love this bit. This was a highlight for me. Look at these silver waterfalls and how far down they go. Look at that, straight into the water. Now, that wouldn't be a normal desirable effect for most sites, because remember, most of the time we're firing a display over land. We're fortunate at Plymouth here that we can go down to the water. So going down to here, it works really brilliantly. Lovely, lovely effect.
And now Shockwave, our final team last night. I have to say, a lot of people have said on social media that number 3 display last night, this one was their favourite. Take us through some of your highlights, Andy.
Well, this is a team that did a finale at the beginning of their show. We're watching that finale now with the gold brocades there. So this is what the first team 1 did at the end. They're now doing this at the very beginning of the show. Look at the width there that's being created by those shells. Really very special, and I mean, this is a finale sequence. Love that, and salutes and bangs.
So they kicked off and set the standard very high right at the beginning of their display, but they maintained a high standard with 10 separate sequences, didn't they, last
Yeah, absolutely. 10 sequences, about a minute each. Look at these shells, red, white and blue sequence, but we get what we call the ghost shell. Can you see that red tracing through the shape of the ball there in the sky? Beautiful. Ghost shells, really, really lovely, very special show. And here, this is the finale, and wasn't it a good one?
Now, and this finale just built and built and built to an explosion of pure white that filled the sky at the end. If you didn't see this last night, just wait and see how this unfolds, right to the end.
There we go, the silver tails going up, that colour change to silver. And then here come the bangs.
Extraordinary, wasn't it?
Filling the sky.
And there we go. That was. And you're joining the judges. Tell us a bit more about that.
We certainly have. We have a panel of youngsters this year, the care experienced young persons, and they're judging the fireworks show last night and tonight for the Young Persons Award ceremony later on this evening. So we're looking forward to that to see what they've chosen.
And the other first is, and it's a brilliant addition to what we're doing, is signing from British Sign Language. So another first for this show. Thank you very much to all the team from BSL doing that for us.
It is really, really important that we expand this show to include as many people as we possibly can out there. So I'm really pleased that tonight that we have the British Sign Languaging team here talking us through the show.
And of course we should mention how important it is that the sponsors are helping really to make this show possible, including Pierre's company.
Absolutely. This is a free event in Plymouth, and thank you hugely to Brittany Ferries, who have sponsored this award tonight, and others in the background. Really, really important for us. Thank you very much, Brittany Ferries.
Have a lovely evening viewing the fireworks, both of you. Take care, Pierre Lebert. Would you please give a warm welcome and a thank you to Pierre Lebert and the Lord Mayor of Plymouth. Thank you very much indeed. Have a good evening. Hopefully, everyone has got a great view or has got a position ready to watch the fireworks in about 9 minutes' time. We're just 9 minutes away. Eurovision finishing with a bang. What did we think, Plymouth?
We loved it. Lots to see in that show. Very different show. Different pace to some of the other shows that we've seen here in Plymouth, but some beautiful products. Lots of very interesting sequences and products that we spotted. Lots of this silver. Look at that gold glitter. What a wonderful, going with the blue as well, and then into the silver. We saw a silver stroke falling leaf sequence, and I don't know whether you noticed, but halfway through we had the classic Plymouth finale, the big brocade crown finale. So now we've seen it at the beginning, at the end.
What did we think of Electrify? Let them know what you thought. What a fantastic finale. They promised us a spectacular finale, and they certainly delivered, Andy.
Yeah, Ian Brooks and his team out there on the breakwater, I think, will be really chuffed with the way that that display came off. What a big finale, wide. And it just kept on going, didn't it?
Yeah, massive.
It was changing, it started off with the gold and then went into the red strobe, big finish at the end.
Thank you for watching.